Well, it's almost midnight. I've gotten the car for for exactly 24 minutes, and I was able to sort out the misfires and drove it around the block. It's running smooth, it's not misfiring at all. The coil packs were not properly connected. Most of the connectors are broken. In fact, only this one was, only cylinder number 5 was properly plugged in. All the other ones were unplugged. All the connectors are broken. I have them kind of shoved in there, but I need a more permanent solution. Also, we have a problem with this high pressure fuel pump that's leaking externally, and that's a fire hazard. This one looks okay, so yeah, not too bad. The coolant's low, so the light is on and flashing, but the car's not overheating or anything. Pretty nice looking car for what I got. Yeah, she's mint. Very nice. So that's my A8 and that's my S8. Love it.